Hello everyone, the hydrogen motorbike from Kawasaki has indeed been displayed its prototype since last year, but recently at the exhibition in Japan, the original form of Kawasaki Ninja H2 Hi. What is the motorbike like? Let's discuss it. Ninja H2's appeared a silver, light blue, and slightly black color scheme. Only the motorbike still looks like a prototype, so it is not yet a production version. As the name suggests, Ninja H2 HySE uses the Ninja H2 sport tourer base. Only if you pay attention, the shape will swell because it carries a new component that can process alternative fuels, namely hydrogen. On the side of the side, a tank that carries hydrogen. Then in the fairing section also looks bigger, so it appears more ready to be brought far away or touring. Only the essence of HySE or hydrogen small mobility and engine is this concept valid and can be done. The success of this hydrogen motorcycle project is when it has entered the production line and can be purchased. Kawasaki's vision with Ninja H2 HySE exceeds conventional gasoline-powered engines. This motorcycle is a conversion version of Ninja H2 XX, displays an H-shaped LED headlamp, symbolizes hydrogen and a striking blue color which distinguishes it from traditional green. This prototype aims to show the feasibility and potential of hydrogen as a source of motorcycle fuel. Ninja H2 HySE boasts the hydrogen engine is equipped with a supercharger and direct injection, an innovative development in the field of motorcycle engineering. The engine, which was previously exhibited in the Kawasaki H2 study at the EICMA 2022, uses direct injection to the combustion chamber, a new fist in a motorcycle engine. It has a capacity of about 1,000 cubic meters and supercharging. This inline four-cylinder engine is expected to produce at least 200 horsepower fueled by gasoline. However, specific details regarding operation with hydrogen have not yet been disclosed, thus making fans and experts eager to explore the capabilities of this innovative propulsion technology. Now that's our review today, and until Juma in the video,